Hey guys, welcome to today's video. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make use of Google AI. Now, I'm not talking about Gemini. So if you know about that, I'm going to show you how to make use of Google AI, or rather Google AI mode. So there are actually two methods to do this. The first method is actually make use of this Google application. If you do not have it, go ahead and download it from the Play Store. So download the Google application and have it open. You can download from Play Store again. So you can notice where it says AI mode. Now, when you click on this, you can actually see this is actually AI mode. If I undock my keypad, you can notice it says, what is on your mind? So you can ask it any question and then you type whatever you want. You can click on this plus icon to either use your camera mode or ask question making use of gallery. It can also create images for you. Now, if you want to see the history of your previous charts, you notice on the top right hand area right here, click on it. It is going to display all of your previous charts with the AI. And as well, if you want to delete any history, you can click on this three-dotted icon to actually delete any history that you want, or you can share this with your friends. Now, another method to actually make use of Google AI, it's from the Google Chrome application. It is also built in. So you open the Google Chrome application, and if it doesn't bring you to the new page, click on the three-dotted icon, and then you open a new tab. It is going to bring it like this. Now you notice where it says AI mode. You click on AI mode and this is actually AI mode. The same thing with the previous one, but the difference is this is opening on the Chrome browser. And also you can type your question and it answers it right here. You can also make use of this search image to search something that is actually live. Make use of voice and you can press the plus icon to either you select create image, use your camera, or you go to your gallery. And you can also upload files right here. So apart from that, you can also see your previous chart history right here. Now you notice this information are actually different from the previous one. Now that is because they are actually running on different accounts. That is the reason why they are different. So if you watch this video and it helped, smash like, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. And also, if you want to know if this is different from Gemini, ask it the question, copy the same question and post it on Gemini. You know what? Let's go ahead and try that. All right. So I'm going to copy this same question and I'm going to ask this question first. So it's going to answer the question and you can see how it brought out your answers, right? Now, do pay attention that it brought out his answer, also making reference of where it actually got that answers from. You can see reference right here, right? You can see top contenders. Now, if you are making use of Gemini, Gemini is obviously going to give you a different result. I did not intend this video to be longer, but for fact's sake, I want you guys to actually understand that they are totally different. Gemini AI is different from Google AI. They are actually built to answer you differently. Now you can see the way Gemini AI is answering me right now, right? Totally different from what the Google AI is giving me. So that is actually proof to you that they are different. And also you can still compare it with the Google AI that is built in on Google application that will actually mention my name. You notice it says TS. So you click and then you send and it's going to actually respond to you. And you will notice the answers from this one is very similar to the answers from this one. They are both built in and they are both Google AI. That is the reason why it gave the same answer. But now this, but now the one from Gemini is totally different. That is because it's different AI that is actually working on it. So I just want to show you guys proof and I think this is good enough. So if this video helped you, smash like, share with your friends. See you on the next one.
Peace.